Welcome to WebWiz. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to use the Quick Selection tool in Adobe Photo-shop 9. This tool will allow you to select an object in one image and paste it into another. Open up Adobe Photo-shop Elements 9. If you have 7 or 8, it should work as well. It may look a little bit different where the button is and such, but the tool should still be on the sidebar. Once your window opens up, here is the quick selection tool over here, and this is the tool that we will be using. Go to File and either Open or Open Recently Edited File. Open will allow you to select a file from your computer. Open Recently Edited will allow you to open a file which you have recently opened on Photoshop. Once you open up your file, you can see I'm going to be using a bowl because it's a very simple image to use. You can click on the Quick Selection tool. Make sure you're on the plus up here instead of the minus. The minus will take away your selection, plus will add a selection. We can see that we have a small little circle with a plus sign in it. You can make this circle larger or smaller. I'm going to keep this size. What you're going to do is you're going to mouse over the object you want to select and click and drag over it. And as you can see, it automatically selected the bowl because it could sense the color and the shape of the bowl and was able to see that that's what I wanted. If you selected something that you didn't want, for instance, let's say you selected the whole picture by mistake, if you moused over too much, you can go to the minus sign and minus out. For instance, if you have an image that you're trying to select that has a hole in it, you may want to use the minus sign to take out the hole so that it will appear with a hole on the image instead of there's a bit of something inside. Once you have this selected, press File, Edit, Copy. Either create a new image or open a new image that you want to paste this object into. Here we can see we have a little baseball that I want to put the blue ball next to. Go to Edit, Paste. As we can see, it pasted the ball as we selected into the image. You can drag that around, put it wherever you want. Now, as you can see, this is not a perfect selection. Some of the shadow has been selected here. We can see a little bit black where the shadow was on the original picture. But the image is pretty good, and you can just use the eraser tool to take off some of that black area. It may not be perfect, but it should be pretty good. And not only is this useful if you want to put images next to each other, but you can also use this to, let's say, create a logo. If you wanted the blue bowl to be part of your logo for your website or your company, you can create a new blank file. And paste it in there. And then once you have your bowl in your picture, you could put in your title below. So that is how to use the Quick Selection tool. You can use this to place images inside of a new background or to create your logo. And this is a very, very simple tool to use, and I strongly recommend using this tool because of its simplicity. Thank you for watching this WebWiz tutorial on the Quick Selection tool in Adobe Photo-shop Elements 9.